Hey everyone, this is Anupama and welcome back. I hope you are all doing good. So today's video is about making this beautiful wall decor which gives an absolute traditional or ethnic look to your house. And if you guys are new to my channel and watching me for the first time, please do consider subscribing and make sure that you hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for this, first I had taken these wooden spoons and start cutting them at the neck portion, and make sure that you are leaving some gap at the neck portion like this, and then start cutting them. And guys, if you want to know the price of the spoons, I bought them for 60 rupees for a pack of 100. So now we are done with the cutting part of the spoons. Moving to the next step, I am using this wooden board to stick the spoons. And guys, if you're not having a wooden board, even you can use an MDF board or a cardboard, or even you can use a waste plate. Now start sticking the spoons all around the board. And now on the center, I'll be sticking these bottle caps. I'm sticking them using a strong glue. The reason why I'm sticking these caps is even you can use this as a tray to decorate your center table. By sticking these caps, it gives a little bit of raised effect to your tray. So that is the reason I'm sticking these caps. And if you guys want it to be a wall decor, you can just skip this step. As I want to use it in both the ways, I'm doing this. And now start applying glue all around the spoons on the top. And now on this, I'm sticking a rope. You can even use a jute rope. And the reason why I'm doing this step is, first we had attached the spoons with hot glue, and you guys know that the hot glue is not stronger. So to make this stronger, I'm using this step, and the spoon doesn't come out by doing this step. So if you're using Fevibond, you need to wait at least for 8 to 10 hours to dry completely. And this is how it looks once it gets dried. And now I'm using this Fevicryl molded to cover the edge of the board. You'll be getting two compounds like this. You just need to mix them both thoroughly to get a uniform color. And then you can start working with the clay. Even you can use any other homemade clay. And now take some clay and roll it. Apply some glue on the edges. And now slightly flatten the clay using your fingers. And then start sticking it around the edge. Now on the top, slightly bend the clay to give it a curved structure. You can just use your index fingers, and that will be easy to do. As this clay dries off very quickly, you need to be a bit faster while working with this clay, else the clay starts drying and you can't mold it later. So now let me show you the close-up pic, and this is how it looks once it gets dried. The curves are perfect. So now as a base coat, I am applying this white acrylic paint. And now on top of it, I am using this blue color. Here I am using sponge to do the coloring part. So now using the brush, cover the edges. And again use sponge dabber to spread the color. And now I'm using this white acrylic paint to get shades of blue and white by merging both the colors. And now for the curved part and the spoons, I'll be applying black acrylic paint. And now to get an antique look, I'm applying this gold metallic paint over black. Just slightly dab it using your sponge dabber. And you'll be getting an antique look. So now coming to the decoration part, I'm using this decoupage paper and I'll be cutting out this camel part. And I'll be sticking this on the center portion like this. Just apply any white glue and spread it evenly using any brush. And now carefully lift it over and stick it on the center portion. So now to get more ethnic look, start forming column patterns. For this I am using this 3D white cone outliner. Now decorate the camel using this white outliner. Now using yellow to form dots on the center portion. And finally, a very important step, seal your project with a good varnish. Here I am using Itsy Bitsy Decor varnish. And on the back side you can see I had attached a rope to hang it to the wall. So guys, now let's hang this to the wall and see how does it look. So it's very beautiful and gives an Indian ethnic look to your house, right? So that's it for today guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So guys, if you're watching me for the first time, please do consider subscribing. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.